What's up YouTube, this is Prince today TP101, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install iOS 12 beta 1. So WWDC just ended. iOS 12, it's only thing I like so far is the group FaceTime and the new notifications. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your device. No computer, no dev account, all you need is your phone. So I'm going to show you guys where I'm at. I'm on iOS 11.3.1. as you can see right there. So this is on my test device. This is not my main device. My main device is right here. My iPhone 10 is over here. That's staying put, but I'm gonna test it out on this device right here. I'm gonna focus a little bit. Okay, so yeah, so the link will be in the description below. To tap on it, make sure it opens in Safari. As you can see right there, it said iOS 12, it says Mac OS, Mojave, and also watchOS beta 5. I mean watchOS 5 beta. So we're gonna tap on iOS 12. It's gonna take me there. It says should be open in 5 seconds. Let it load. Skip ad. Okay, so now you're here. You want to hit allow. Boom. Right there. So once you're right there, you want to hit install. Turn that phone off. Put in your password, passcode if you have one. It's gonna install. Focus. This thing is not really trying to focus today. Hit install. Hit install again, and your phone will restart. You want to hit restart. Okay, so now my phone restarted. So let's go back to settings. Let's go to general. Where is it at? Where's general? Let's go to settings, general, software update. And there it is right there. iOS 12 developer beta. So let's see what it says. So it said this beta version of iOS 12 contains bug fixes and improvements. That's pretty much what iOS 12 is. Just bug fixes and improvements. So I'm going to download this and I'll come back after it's done and I'll show you guys the whole iOS 12. Okay guys, so now iOS 12 is done installing. So let's go in and see what we got. Okay, so it's telling me to press. Put in my passcode. So it's recovering all the data. Okay guys, so now all the updates is done. So we're gonna hit continue. Come on, and this should be a lot more. So basically, if you look at it, nothing changed. So let's go to settings and see if we're actually on iOS 12, because nothing really changed, because iOS 12 is basically the same thing. There it is, 12.0. So yeah, that's I'm pretty disappointed with this. It should be a lot better for performance, and especially for the older devices. So let's see. I think we get one new wallpaper. Let's go here. There it is right there. So it should be this one right here. So that's the only wallpaper we get. And let's go back. Let's see what comes on in new notifications. So now we got new group notifications and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not even gonna go too much into that. But yeah, if you want iOS 12 on your device, this is how you do it for free. No computer needed, no dev account, and that's it. It's Prince with ATP101. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace. Thanks for watching.